Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Miss Chelsea, and I will teach you subject mathematics for standard third. So first of all, let us write our subject on the blackboard. That is mathematics. Okay, students? Subject maths. So students, standard third, right? Yes. So students, can you tell me in our combined book number 2, there are how many lessons? Yes, we have 3 lessons, right? First is multiplication. Second is, means this is first concept or the first lesson is word problems. Then comes the properties of multiplications, right? Then comes a second lesson, that is coins and currency notes. And then comes a last chapter, that is measurement. Right, students? So till now I have taught you the 2 chapters, right? They are multiplication and coin and currency notes. So students, in the last lecture I took your रिविजन, मतलब मैंने आपकी प्रैक्टिस ली बराबर कौन से लेसन की, कॉइन्स एंड करेंसी नोट्स. सो इन टुडेस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस लेसन नंबर 1 और वो है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड द थर्ड लेसन विच इज मेजरमेंट आई विल स्टार्ट इन द मंथ ऑफ October. Okay students, I will start teaching that lesson from the month of October, students. Okay? Yes. So in today's lecture, we are going to practice lesson number 1. That is multiplication, their properties and etc. Okay? So let us write unit, that is multiplication. Okay? So students, in the class 2nd and in the class 1st, you must have studied some tables, right? Yes. I hope you must be knowing table from 2 to 20. So students, this lesson is based on tables. For this lesson or concept, you need to know all the tables from 2 to 20. Okay students? So now let us solve some examples of multiplication on blackboard. Okay? Let us solve. That is question number 1. Carry out multiplication okay students? Yes. So our first question I am writing on the blackboard. Yes students, so I have written 3 tables, right? Yes. So I have arranged these tables in vertical order, right? मैंने यह टेबल वर्टिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज किए हुए हैं, that is standing line. Okay? So now tell me one by one the answer of all the 3 tables. तो बच्चों हम शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट सम से. So can you tell me what is 3 into 4? 3 6 क्या होता है? Yes, 3 6 6 is 18, राइट? तो हम आंसर लिखेंगे 18. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? यस. तो 3 6 हुआ 18, बराबर. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज 5 into 3? 5 3 इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 5 3 is 15. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स. तो अब हम आंसर लिखेंगे 15. 5 3 is 15. 3 6 is 18. Right, students? So now let us solve the last tables, that is 2 into 6. So who will tell me what is 2 6? 2 6 इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 2 6 is 12. Right, students? तो अब हम लिखेंगे 12. Okay, students? So students, for this lesson, you need to know all the tables, right? So now in the first question, we saw how to write table in vertical manner, right? So now ahead, we are going to see some more examples of this lesson. Okay, students? So here we got answer of first one, that is 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 5 3 is 15. 2 6 is 12. Right, students? So now let us see some more examples of multiplications, right? And after that, we are going to see the properties of multiplication that I have taught you, right? I hope all students remember the 3 properties of multiplication. Okay? Yes. Student, now let us see how to write table in horizontal manner. Okay, students? So, question number 2. Okay? Arranging in horizontal manner. So students, as you can see, I have written 3 questions on the blackboard. So now we have to arrange these numbers in horizontal manner. Okay, students? And after arranging this number in horizontal manner, we are going to write our final answer. So let us start solving with our first sum. So let us arrange this sum in horizontal manner. Let us arrange 5 into 6 is equal to. तो बच्चों 5 6 इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? मैंने यह नंबर्स हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में अरेंज किए हैं. नाउ आपको वो मुझे बताना है इसका आंसर क्या आएगा. So who will tell me what is 5 into 6? 5 6 इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Anyone? 5 6 is 30. Right, students? तो अब हम आंसर लिखेंगे 30. Students, in the same way, we are going to arrange both the numbers. Right? So let us start with our second question. Let us arrange 2 into 7. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 7 is 14. Right? And 7 2s also will be 14. तो अब हमारा आंसर है 14. Students, let us solve a third question. Okay? Also, we will arrange this number in horizontal way. Let us arrange 3 into 7. Who will tell me what is 3 sevens are? 3 sevens are, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 3 sevens is 21, right? So our answer is 21. Okay, students. So here I have taught you how to arrange this number in horizontal manner and find the answer, or else write the answer. So repeat behind me. 5 6 is 30. 2 7 is 14. And 3 7 is 21. Okay, students? Now let us see some more examples of multiplications. So students, till now we saw how to write table in vertical manner as well as horizontal manner, right? For example, this is our number 2 and 6, okay? And if I want to write this number in vertical manner, I will write 2 into 6, that is 12. But if I want to write the same question in horizontal manner, then how I will write? I will write 2 6 is 12. So students, this sum is in vertical manner and this sum is in the horizontal manner. Okay? Yes. So now let us start with our properties of multiplication. As I told you, there are 3 properties. So can you tell me which are the 3 properties? Multiplication property of 1, multiplication property of 0, and third one is multiplication property of commutative. Okay? So now let us revise these properties one by one. Okay, so let us start revising with our first property, that is multiplication property of 1. Okay, students, let us start. So students, let us start with our first property, that is multiplication property of 1. Okay? Yes. So students, let us start with the first property, and that is multiplication property of 1. Okay? Multiplication property of 1. Okay, students? Yes. So can you tell me in this property what we do? तो बच्चों, क्या आपको मतलब can you remember what we do in this property? Yes. For example, let us see 6 into 1. Okay? इसका जवाब आएगा 6 ही. ओके 9 into 1, इसका जवाब भी आएगा 9. In this property, whenever a number is multiplied with 1, the answer will be the number itself. मतलब जब भी हम कोई एक से वह नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर वह नंबर आएगा. मतलब see, I am giving you one more example. 10 into 1 is equal to 10 ones is 10. See, whenever I multiplied a number with 1, the answer will be the number itself. Okay students? Yes. Keep in your mind, जब भी कोई हम नंबर एक से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर वह नंबर आएगा. Okay? Yes. So students, as you can see these are some of our example of multiplication property of 1. Okay? So students, now let us learn the second property. Okay? So can you tell me which is our second property? Yes, I have told you. Which is second property? Multiplication property of 0. Okay? Multiplication property of 0. So let us see. Multiplication property of 0. Okay students? So can you tell me in this property what we do? Yes. So whenever we multiply a number with 0, the answer will be 0 only. Okay? So whenever we multiply a number with 0, the answer will be 0 only. So let us see some of the examples. Seven into 0 is equal to 7. Okay students? 7 into 0 is equal to 7. So whenever we multiply a number with 0, the answer will be 0. Okay students? Not 7. Not 7. The answer will be 0 itself. Let's see one more example. 11 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay students? याद रखिए जब भी कोई हम नंबर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर 0 ही आएगा. And this property is known as multiplication property of 0. Okay students? Let us see one more example of this property. 0 into 5. अब मुझे कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 0 5 is 0. बराबर? So students, I hope you have understood this property. Now we are going to study the last property, that is multiplication property of commutative. Okay? Multiplication property of commutative. तो बच्चों क्या मुझे बता सकते हैं इस प्रॉपर्टी में हम क्या करते हैं? Yes, in this property, even if we change the order of the table, the answer will be the same. Okay? For example, 2 3s is 6, right? And 3 2s is always 6. Okay, students? See, students, I have changed the order of the numbers. Still, the answer is same. So, always keep in your mind, whenever we change the order of the number, the answer will be the same itself. And this property is known as multiplication property of commutative. Let us see one more example. 5 2s is 10 and 2 5s is also 10. Right, students? Yes. So in today's video, I took your extra practice of lesson number 1, that is multiplications. Right? Yes. So for your homework, I will send the pictures on our WhatsApp group. Okay, students? Yes. We will meet in the next lecture with our new lesson. Thank you.